What's up guys, it's D bringing you guys another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to ceramic coat your wheels. I'm going to be using a ceramic spray because it's a lot easier. I tried using my ceramic coating that I put on the car. I don't think I did it too well, but I've heard great reviews about this product I'm about to use. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do is power wash off the wheels. Break off as much of the dust as I can starting out. Alright, as you guys can see, there is still a ton of brake dust out there for me just pressure washing it. So the items I'm going to use to clean them are my Adams wheel cleaner. It's like one of my favorite wheel cleaners. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use assortment of brushes. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so before I go ahead and clean the other one before I apply the ceramic coating to the front wheels, I'm going to do a comparison video. Alright, so as you can see, the one on the left is very clean. I've deep cleaned it, got off as much brake dust as possible off those wheels. And then this is one that is dirty. So you can see the drastic difference of what it looks like when they're clean versus dirty. And so I want my wheels to look more like this one more of the time. And hopefully with the ceramic spray, it will. So let's go ahead and clean the next wheel. Alright guys, so now that I've cleaned them and dried them off, we're going to take a rubbing alcohol spray, spray it down, let it coat it liberally. And then I'm going to take a clean microfiber towel, do a wipe down. I use a bright color so I can see in the dirt areas. Just gonna hit every spoke under. This basically gets off any residue left from cleaning them. They do have a prep spray, but I didn't feel like buying that when alcohol does the same thing for a lot less. I'm just gonna get every spoke. All right, one wheel down. Alright, so the item I'm going to use is the CMX ceramic spray coating by Mothers. A couple people I know use this and it works really well on their wheels. So we're gonna see how it does on mine. I'm gonna install it how they told me they installed it. So without further ado, let's go and get into it. All right, so I went ahead and moved from the direct sunlight and I'm in my garage. The wheels have had time to cool off. So you want to apply this to a cool surface. So I've let them cool off for a little bit in the garage out of the sun. So I'm gonna just spray it on here. I'm going quite liberally because it is, I want to get in every nook and cranny. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, a couple minutes. I'm gonna actually take a towel and hit the tire because I don't want it on the tire. Give me a dirty towel. All right, let me try it the way that the bottle says. So you take your microfiber, couple sprays, you can go to town. Down. In between, give it a couple sprays. All right, so after you wipe them down, you let them sit, let it cure for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other one off camera, and I'll get back to you when I buff them off. All right, guys, so we got the wheels done, all four ceramic coated and back on the car. I'm gonna do a quick walk around of the car so you can see what it looks like installed. All right, guys, so that's the video. This has been D. It's getting hot outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. If you guys did enjoy the content or if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, as well as subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.